Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am gonna show you how to enable dark or light theme mode in Windows 10. So let's start. After an update you have no need to do such completed settings for dark or light theme. Now it is officially available. Okay, to enable dark or light theme, first click on start. Okay, now in start menu go to settings, and in settings go to personalization, and in personalization go to colors. Okay, now you can see choose your color. This option select dark, and whether you can see our dark theme is applied, and you can change now. You can change now. Select light. Wow, you can see that. You can change again custom of a start menu section. Windows mode dark light, you can see dark. Apps mode dark, light, light again. Transparency effects off, on. Dark is applied. Now I will try second method. That click on your mouse, then go to personalize. In personalize go to colors. Okay, now you can see choose your color. You can see same window and same tricks apply. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, comment below in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest update.